Hi students, today our new topic potential due to distributed charges. Okay, potential due to distributed charges. So first one, electric potential due to a linear charge distribution. Linear charge distribution, consider one wire. Okay, infinite wire. On this one, charge is distributed uniformly. Okay, so first of all, at certain point, at this point P, required one is potential. That point distance from this wire is R. Assume Gaussian surface. Okay, assume Gaussian surface. This one. Okay, it is the Gaussian surface. Its length is L. Okay, its length is L. Understood? On Gaussian surface, consider very small part, its area outwards, dA bar. E bar is also outwards. E bar is also outwards. You know, electric field intensity here, E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught into R. What is lambda? Linear charge density. Lambda means linear charge density. Okay. Lambda is equal to charge per unit length. Lambda equal here charge per unit length. Okay. What is the required quantity? Electric potential. Okay. You know relation. dV is equal to minus E bar dot dr bar. See here R bar direction, E bar direction both are same. dV is equal to minus E dr cos 0 degrees, same direction. dV is equal to minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught into R into dr. Okay, integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught is constant, 1 by R into dr. 1 by R into dr. Okay, you know integrating of 1 by x dx is equal to log base x plus c. C means integrating constant. So your potential is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught log base R plus c. Here c is the integrating constant. C is integrating constant. Okay, here c is the integrating constant. Simply to write as V suffix R, V in bracket of R. V in bracket of R means potential at a distance R, potential at a distance R, minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught log base C R plus C. Understood? C is the integrating constant. Understood? Okay. Electric potential due to a linear charge distribution. So you know this one, you know this formula. Based on this one, potential is equal to minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught log base C R plus C. C is the integrating constant. Next one is electric potential due to infinite plane sheet of charge. Here non-conducting and conducting. Okay, first of all non-conducting. Okay, non-conducting. So this one is the infinite plane sheet. Here charge is uniformly distributed. Okay, required one is potential at a distance R perpendicular to this plane, perpendicular to this plane. Okay, you know already E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. You know that one, okay? For non-conducting, dV is equal to minus E bar dot dr bar. In this case, E bar direction and also R bar direction both are in a same. So simply E into dr cos 0 1, integrating on both sides, dV is equal to minus integrating of E into dr. Okay, required one is potential and the distance are perpendicular to its surface. Okay, V is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught into dr. V is equal to minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught integrating of dr. Integrating of dr. Understood? Okay. Now V is equal to minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught integrating of r. Integrating of dr means r plus c. C is the integrating constant. C is integrating constant. Understood? C is integrating constant. Okay. Next, for conducting, non-conducting is this one. For conducting, now for conducting, you know, E is equal to what? 1 sigma by epsilon naught. As usual, dV is equal to minus E dr minus sigma by epsilon naught dr. Integrating of this one, integrating dV minus sigma by epsilon naught integrating of dr. V is equal to minus sigma by epsilon naught into r plus c. C is the integrating constant. It is for non-conducting. Okay, this for conducting. Understood? Okay. See, electric potential due to a charged spherical shell or non-conducting sphere. First of all, in this, a non-conducting hollow sphere. Okay, non-conducting hollow sphere. Charge is distributed only on the surface. Its radius is r. Now here required potential is at this point P r. This one is the Gaussian surface. This one is Gaussian surface. Understood? Okay. Now, you know, this is small r greater than capital R, case 1. This one is case 1. At this point, dA bar outside, E bar outside. Okay. You know, electric potential at that point equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Already we discussed this one. Okay. Now, potential dV is equal to minus E bar dot dr bar minus E into dr, because of both are in a same direction. dV minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into dr minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square E dr. To find out that one, integrating on both sides, integrating dV minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. Variable quantity is 1 by R square into dr. 1 by R square into dr. So it is V minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. This one is R power of minus 2 plus 1 by R power minus 2 plus 1. Understood? You know, integrating of 1 by x power of n, 1 by x n power of dx is right as integrating of x power of minus n, okay, into dx, x power of minus n 1 plus 1 by minus n plus 1. Understood? Here n greater than 1. N greater than 1. Understood? See, in this case, you write as minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r power of minus 1 by minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into minus plus v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Understood? Okay. In outside. Okay. Next, on the surface, case 2. Case 2. On the surface, small r equal to capital R. That means potential is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Understood? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay, on the surface. And third case, most important one, inside of the sphere. Okay. Taken here. Charge resides only in outside. R. Now, point is inside. Inside is required. Okay. You know, inside, what about electrical intensity? 0. Electrical intensity is 0. Okay. Minus dV by dr is equal to 0 because of electrical intensity is equal to minus dV by dr. So minus dV by dr equal to 0 means differentiating is 0 when V is constant. For constant values, differentiating is 0. V constant means inside at every point, any point, potential is constant. That potential is equal to potential on the surface. Okay, potential on the surface. Here, see, based on this one, potential is constant means inside at any point, potential is equal to potential on the surface. At center, at this point, at this point, at this point, any point. What about potential? Constant. Okay, potential constant means here on the surface potential, inside at everywhere, potential is same. Understood? That is V equal 1 by 4 by epsilon naught q by r. Okay. If in case you draw the graph, this one is distance, electric field intensity. Now, up to surface constant. Then after decrease, V inversely proportional to R. On the surface 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by R. From center to surface same, potential is constant. Understood? Okay. Next one, electric potential due to a uniformly charged non-conducting solid sphere. In above case, I clearly mentioned non-conducting sphere means non-conducting hollow sphere or conducting sphere for all same that one. But this one is non-conducting solid sphere. Okay. Non-conducting solid sphere means charge is distributed uniformly enter the body. under the body. Understood? Okay. Now its radius is r. Required potential is in outside. Required potential is in outside. Okay. It is a Gaussian surface as usual. Distance is r. Consider small pod area dA bar, E bar, both are in a same direction. Okay. You know E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Okay. Here Q is a uniformly charged. That means net charge. Okay. The charge is distributed uniformly on the non-conducting solid sphere. Okay. Now dV is equal to minus E bar dot dr bar minus EdR. Okay. Because of both are in same direction. dV is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into dr. Minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into dr. Okay. Now to find out the total potential at that point, dV equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integrating of 1 by R square into dr. Okay. V is equal to, similarly above case, same type of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Potential is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Okay. So in outside, it is case 1, R greater than capital R. Second, case 2, small r is equal to capital R. That means E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Sorry. Potential on the surface. What are one? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Don't forget this one. Understood? Okay. Now third case is most important case. Most important case, inside. Okay. This one is R. Inside required. It is small r. Okay, for our convenient, taking this color, small r here, dA bar outside, E bar is also outside. Okay, you know inside electric field intensity 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q small r by R cube. Q small r by R cube. Understood? Okay. Now dV is equal to, as usual, minus E bar dot dr bar minus E dr. Okay. dV is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QR by R cube. Q R by R cube. Now integrating on both sides, dV. So here on surface to this point, here required one is potential at this point, means you consider potential difference here. You consider potential. First of all, consider potential difference. Potential difference means on surface. Okay, at this point. Understood? Okay. So first of all, consider potential difference because of on surface at this point. Understood? Okay. So to move the unit to positive touch charge from surface to this point, some work done is required. That is change in potential. Okay. Minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R cube integrating This is the final point. Here first point capital R, second point is small r. Limits capital R to small r. Okay, it is dr here. R into dr. Are understood? R into dr. Now this one v surface to v minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r cube. This one is r square by 2. Understood? Okay. This one is v minus vs. Upper limit minus lower limit. Here minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r cube. So r square by 2 minus r square by 2. R square by 2 minus r square by 2. Okay. V surface on surface 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r cube. R square by 2 minus r square by 2. Okay. V is equal to, it is taken this side, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r cube. R square by 2 minus r square by 2. Are understood? Okay. Here common one is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. 1 minus 1 by r square by 2 minus capital R square by 2. Okay. V 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay. 1 minus small r square by 2 into capital R square, minus into minus plus r square by 2 r square. Now here r square cancel. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r 1 minus small r square by 2 r square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now here 1 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r 3 by 2 minus small r square by 2 r square. Understood? Okay. Potential inside a certain point. That point distance from center is r. Okay. Now this one. At center, what about r? 0. So at center is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r 3 by 2 minus 0. Because of 0 square by something 0. So V center is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r into 3 by 2. You know this one is on surface. V surface into 3 by 2. Okay, at center V surface into 3 by 2. That means at center its value is more. At center its value is more. Okay. Draw the graph for this one. Draw the graph for this one. At center 3 by 2 Vs. Small r equal to capital R. This one is Vs. Understood? It is the graph for that one. Okay.